Good morning. It is Monday morning. I finished up adding the citations and everything to the assignment that I was supposed to turn in technically yesterday, but they said it could be today, so we can get feedback for our presentation on Wednesday. So I believe my group mate said it's all good to go, so I have to put it into basically submit. I have to submit it. Right now I'm working on my vlog that's gonna go up this week. And later today, I'll have my weekly face shift meeting. On Wednesday, obviously, I have my normal class, but right after is the Victor Marsh concert, so that's exciting. I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear, and it's probably gonna be something simple because I have to go right after class, and I also don't know that I have any fun outfits or cute outfits, so whatever. But I'll look into that, and of course, new Summer I Turned Pretty episode comes out on Wednesday, so Wednesday's an eventful day. Besides that, we were supposed to go to the Cyndi Lauper concert on Tuesday, so we're gonna have our double concert days, and that was we got the tickets for free for that one, but it was also supposed to be kind of for my mom's birthday because her birthday was just yesterday. And then Cyndi canceled the show date, and she said good news, she's keeping the ones in Mountain View and I think I already said this last week, but she's keeping her other show dates. I think one's in Mountain View and one's in Wheatland. So I'm not sure what happened, but I don't think she's rescheduling this one, so that's unfortunate. But we still have Big Time Rush on Wednesday. I sent one of my recommenders my CV and my statement of purpose, personal statement. I do have to send it to the other ones, but I realized I'm so close to the application cycle opening that I'm gonna wait until it opens so I can put in their information. If I remember correctly, as soon as I put in the information, they'll get the email. I don't know if I should submit and then they get the email, but I think it's once I put it in, so then I can tell them the exact due dates, the schools I'm applying to, and then I'll give them the information. And I figured out one professor that I want to reach out to from UCLA, as a potential PI, or I think he's also the field chair for the division of the subsection of bioengineering that I want to do. So it'd be good to email him anyway. And then I'm gonna go through some of the other schools and see who I want to reach out to, or if I should reach out, because I think some schools don't like you reaching out. So I'm gonna try to do that this week before the month ends. And then next month, once the application's open, I'll just start filling in everything. So it's getting closer. That's exciting, but yeah. I will see you guys later. Hi, okay. Finished up my meeting. Went well. I have to go back. I'm gonna go to Michael's this week to try to look for the parts that I was trying to find last week. Might be better. I found some examples online. So I'll be later this week. Yesterday I finished my second August book, which was the second Harry Potter book, The Chamber of Secrets. So now I gotta figure out what is it, September book? Or I guess we're technically still in August, but I'm gonna finish it by the end of August. So it'll probably be my September book. Although I normally go by the month they started, but because it's basically the end of August, it'll count. Whatever. Okay, here's the thing. I have this book that I started a while ago, but it's what's it called? Nonfiction. It's it was from a class that I took. I won the little end of class Kahoot or something, so the professor gave me a book. And I'm sure it's interesting. I just it's not fun for me to read, so I gave up on that one. Same with We All Want to Change the World by Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, which we got to see his book. He was going a little book tour to announce the book. So they had a Q&A. So I started reading that one. It's interesting again, but it's not it doesn't make me want to read it constantly. And same with The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks. We talked about that one in class a few times. So I was I should read it. I've read a little bit of it. I just can't keep going with it. So I need one of my fiction books. The options are Well, let me flip the camera. This is the Kareem Abdul-Jabbar book I was talking about. We have After You, because I read, what's called Me Before You, but it's been a while since I read it. So I'm like, whatever. I mean, I have to read this at some point. Twilight, but I'm like, if I'm starting Twilight, I feel like then I have to go through all the books, so I might as well, I think I'm gonna wait until I've at least finished Harry Potter. I can go on to the third one, which I actually might do, because I'm kind of in my Harry Potter era. A Court of Thorns and Roses, which again, a whole series. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I feel like most people liked it. Could start that one. This one, I believe it's just like another romance one, Married for a Month. These two are by Zoe Sugg, a YouTuber. If you don't know, she was really popular. And I think my sister found these at like a thrift store or something, so she got them, or like a garage sale. So that could be fun. This one, my old roommate read, and so she said if I wanted to read it, I could have it. And this one's from one of my book of the months, which a book of the month always kind of hits. This should be also romance. So they're all good options. I just don't know which direction I'm trying to go right now. And I also accidentally paid for another month, the book of the month. I didn't mean to, so now I have 2 credits on there. So I think I'm gonna have to order a book when September comes. That'll be added to the stack. Okay. I don't know if I think I'm gonna skip on Harry Potter. That'll be my next book, let's say, or next book. I don't want to start a series yet. Well, I guess this is kind of a series. I'm kind of feeling I should just try to start this one. Or I can go book of the month. No, okay, I'm gonna start this one. What is it? Scroll Online. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. I went to mass, came back, had my breakfast. I've been meaning to revive my DJ journey. So if I probably mentioned this in a vlog like early, like forever ago. I was always interested in like DJing, and I was like, how fun would it be to try it out? So for my birthday last year, maybe, my family got me this, and so I've used it a few times, and like I took a little course that they do, like the, what do you call it, like a little turntable. But it's been a while since I've done it, so I want to try it out again. And my issue is also it's a USB, and my computer doesn't have a USB input, but I've had this like adapter for a while, and now it just like doesn't connect well. Like I have to like have it at a certain angle, so it gets a little annoying, so I should get a new one. But we'll try it out, and I'll let you know what I end up making. Okay. I don't know if it worked out super well. Did Golden and How Deep Is Your Love, the Calvin Harris one. Something's still off, but it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna have some salmon and quinoa. I've never made quinoa, so I guess cooked quinoa. But we have a bag, so I think it's just kind of like rice, but I'm gonna do it on the stove. And then I have some veggies that I think I'm gonna throw in the oven. I will show you my lunch once it's ready. Salmon, avocado, quinoa. My quinoa are a little bit burnt, but it's fine. And some veggies underneath. You guys, Taylor Swift is engaged. Obviously there's been rumors and whatnot, but I didn't know it was going to happen already. But, oh my gosh, the whole setup looked beautiful. Like, watching the New Heights thing, I was like, oh, they actually, like, work so well together. Yeah, how exciting. Good morning. It is Wednesday. Just watched the majority of the new Summer I Turned Pretty, but I have to head out now to go to Berkeley. It's a busy day. Went to Berkeley for a few hours to volunteer. And then, sorry, it got cut off. Volunteering for a few hours, and then coming back, and then I have my workshop where I have to do 2 presentations, my group presentation and my individual presentation. And then right after, we're heading to the Victor Rush concert. Yay! Okay, see you guys later. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also got into this like scientist mentorship program that I applied to like forever ago. Got the email last night, which means I have to go to a conference and like in-person thing in San Diego in October, which is so exciting because I've been meaning to go to San Diego because I've never been. So I'm excited for that. And I have to like send them a few things to like confirm my participation. So yeah, exciting. Finished up for today, but I forgot my headphones. So it's just me and the sounds of nature right now. And even on bar, I was like, what am I supposed to do about my music? But it's fine. I got some work done. There's just like so many files, so I was just like renaming everything. Yeah, walking back to the BART station, and I don't know, I think I have to make lunch once I get home. We'll figure that out once I get there. All right. No.
You're a tough guy, like a really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so buff guy. So far down this road. Now I wake up and I look around, and it breaks my heart to have to doubt. Will you still love me if my luck runs out? Will you still love me if my luck runs out? 'Cause the world keeps turning round and round, like I'm easy to forget about. Will you still love me if my luck runs out? Will you still love me? Will you still? I saw it's the only life you got, so you gotta live it big time. Oh yeah, a giant jerk, and you look like a turd, and you smell like a turd. Oh, you're such a turd. Oh yeah, a giant jerk, and you look like a turd, and you smell like a turd. And I'm about to give you my heart, but remember this one thing: I've never been in love before, so you gotta go easy on me. I heard love was dangerous, but you fall in love again now. With all the everything, it was so easy for me. Don't hurt me, deserve me. Don't give up on me. What would I wanna do that for?
Hi friends, it's been a minute since I vlogged. Yesterday was very chaotic. I started my day off at Kaiser in the morning because my mama had an appointment, so I just took her. Ended my day at Kaiser at the ER because my dad had some issue going on, but I think he's good now, at least for now. So didn't really vlog at all yesterday. But today we went to Michael's because I had to look for some stuff for my prototype. So I found a few options. I just took some pictures so I can show my advisor tomorrow. But I found these like gem kits, like the diamond art. This one's for a bookmark. I didn't get like one of the big ones because I don't know if I'm gonna like actually be into it. So I got a smaller one, and plus I need bookmarks. Because I don't know where my, like I always use my like book of the month bookmarks, and I had a bunch of them, but recently I haven't, like I don't know which book they're in. So I have these. I think I'm gonna start with this one, and it comes with all the little thingies and like a guide. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you my progress in a bit. I believe we're gonna go to Santa Rosa to see the Charlie Brown Museum. Last night my sister brought over some new card games, so we were playing that. They were so fun. And yeah, and I got a diamond art kit, and I just finished my bookmark this morning, and it's really cute. So might do more of those soon. All right, I'll see you guys later.